Hi everybody, Westman here with the Algebra 2 IXL DD.5, finding probabilities using combinations and permutations. So here we have Chef West's fridge is filled with 11 milk cartons. 6 of them are whole milk. The difference between this one and the previous problem we ended on was that when we randomly select 7 cartons, we want to know the probability that exactly 5 of them are chosen for as milk cartons. So we have 2 scenarios here. We have an exactly 5 scenario, which means that 2 of them, because there's 7 total, are not milk. So we've got 2 different scenarios here. We've got one of them being exactly 5 and one of them being not. So we've got the exactly 5, which means that there are 2 that are not whole milk. Okay? We are choosing 7 total. So those are our choosing. We want 5 of them to be whole milk. We want 2 that are not whole milk for a total of 7 that we need to choose from. Now, there's also the total number of cartons of milk. So we have our maybe grand totals. So there are 11 total milk cartons. 9 of them are whole milk, which means that 3 of them are not whole milk. So when we go in to figure out our probability, remember probability is outcomes over probability is your outcomes over your total. Okay? Probability is outcome over total. So we want to start with our totals. Okay? Your total number of combinations of milk cartons that you could open is going to be 11, and I'm choosing 7, right? 11 total milk cartons in my fridge. 7 of them are the ones I'm opening. So there are actually 330 ways total that you could open these milk cartons. 330 ways. Now, the top is going to get a little more interesting because you've got 2 scenarios. You're going to need 2 combinations. Okay? You need 2 combinations. The first combination is for our whole milk. Well, we know we have 9 total whole milk cartons, and we need to choose exactly 5 of them. For our not whole section, we know that there are 3 total cartons that are not whole milk, and we need to pick 2 of them. There are 378 ways that this outcome could occur. Oh, well, it would be helpful if we read the problem because it's actually 6 total whole milk. That makes more sense. 6 total whole milk. So that means 5 of them are not. That changes some things. Sorry about that. This is why we read the problem. We said there were 6 whole milks. And if there's 11 total, that means there's 5 that are not. So 6, we're choosing 5 of the whole milk. 5 not whole milk, we need to choose 2 of them. So that changes this number right here. Should be 60. That makes more sense. 60 different ways that you're going to get exactly 5 whole milks. Out of 330 total ways things could happen. And so that would be your decimal 1818.